Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a paintbrush transition. Let's get started. So I've got this paintbrush clip that we'll be using for the transition. You can download it for free from Vecteezy. Just search for paint drop transition and you'll find several great options to choose from. First, go to the effects panel and under OpenFX search for Luma Keyer. Once you find it, drag it onto your clip. Now, if you look over at the inspector panel, you'll see the Luma Keyer settings available for adjustment. Play your clip, and when you see the black paint appear, just click on it using the Luma Keyer. Now you'll notice the clip underneath becomes visible through the paint. Now I'll go ahead and drag a new clip onto video track 3. This is where the transition will begin. Next, with the topmost clip selected, head over to the inspector panel. Under the composite section, change the composite mode to foreground. Next, select the paint clip and, in the inspector panel, change its composite mode to alpha. Now I'll arrange the clips to align perfectly with the timing of the transition. Now let's hit the play button. You'll notice the brush stroke doesn't completely cover the clip. To fix that, go to the inspector panel and slightly zoom in on the clip until it fully covers the screen. And that's it. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more, and don't forget to tap the bell.